give presence to them. Fondo lateral. El fondo. Especial. Rubi. Pasa el mano a mano. Juega. Pinta. Juega por balón. Coño, ¿qué te damos? Fondo. Nada. Especial. ¿Qué hacemos? Todo el rato vamos detrás. Sí. Juegan duro. Claro, se juega en la vida. Y nosotros vamos blanditos.
You have to stay in the paint. All this penetration, guys. I don't have 100 timeouts to stop every 3 minutes.
Quitan, Emegano, 2-3 meters, offensive rebound Samar, don't stop the ball. What happened, guys?
¡Eh! ¡No metas, me cago en mi puta madre!
Hey, don't score, guys!
¡Una defensa! ¡Estamos duros a favor!
Nico, we're playing good, solid basketball. Palm, some bullshit pass because you already made up your mind. Don't make up your mind. Push. 40 minutes, push. If you want to win something huge, you got to push. Concentrate and push.
This kind of numbers is we are arriving all the time late in the things we have to do. They are more ready than us from the beginning the game. So, or we change these dynamic things, or we don't have the opportunity to beat them.
¿Podemos defender alguna? ¿Alguna? Ya no hablo de perder el balón, hablo de defender alguna. ¿Alguna?